Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ridevia Priyani. My ID number is A121-18112. I'm from class F. Okay, now I will explain about language course management. The first is about language course. What is language? Language is the normal way humans communicate. Only humans use language. Through other animals communicate through other means. The study of language is called linguistics. Human language has syntax, a set of rules for connecting words together to make statements and questions. Language can also be changed by adding new words, for example, to describe new things. Language may be done by speech, or by writing, or by moving hands to make things. Humans also use language for thinking. Language allows us to share our ideas, thoughts, and feelings with others. Characteristics of language include: the first is language is social. By its very nature, language evolved to connect humans and to enable them to interact with each other. Users of language agree to set of rules and system and then use those rules consistently so that they can better function in their society. Language exists because humans depend on each other and therefore need a reliable way to interact with each other. The second is language is arbitrary. The choice of any particular sounds to represent a thing or idea is arbitrary. The third is language is systematic. Language is put together in a certain way which varies depending on the language. There are rules for the way letters can combine to form words and the way words combine to form sentences. There is a grammar that establishes the syntax of the language and governs the way tenses are conveyed. Next, language is symbolic. There are various symbols and sounds that represent meaningful ideas to users of a language. Words themselves are symbolic. When readers see the word "I" on a page, they understand that this is more than a vertical line. These lines represent a first-person pronoun identifying a speaker. Interpreting symbols correctly is important to the speaker of a language. The last is language is dynamic. Any given language was not developed in a day, and language continues to evolve over time as speakers and culture change. Okay, now about what is course. Course is a unit of teaching that typically lasts one academic term. Is led by one instructor called a teacher and has a fixed roster of students. A course usually covers an individual subject. Courses generally have a fixed program of session every during the term is called lessons or classes. Okay, now about what is language course. Language education includes learning, reading, and teaching of a second language or foreign language other than native language. There are so many options to learn the foreign language. Some of students start the learning of foreign language during the school, while some of chooses the courses after the completion of the plus two examination. In the course of any foreign language, the students are talk about the history that language, culture of language, people of related country, methodology of understanding, and accent and diction of that language. So, language course is an educational course in which a foreign language is taught, for example, English language. Okay, now about course management. What is management? Management means directing and controlling a group of people or an organization to reach a goal. Management often means the deployment and manipulation of human resources, financial resources, technological resources, and natural resources. The managerial functions are planning, controlling, evaluating, and managing. The first is planning. Planning is the function of management that involves setting objectives and determining a course or the course of action for achieving those objectives. Planning requires the manager be aware of environmental conditions facing their organization and forecast future conditions. The second, controlling. Control is a function of management which helps to check errors in order to take corrective actions. The third is evaluating. Evaluation is closely related to performance management, or whether about organization, groups, process, or individuals, which includes identifying measures to assess progress toward achieving results. The last is managing. Managing an organization means getting things done with and through other people to achieve its objectives. Okay, a course management system refers to virtual learning environments that are categorized based on pedagogical tools such as content creation, communication, administration, and assessment. Content creation tools enable instructors to upload course materials and assignments for students, whereas communication tools allow course announcements, emails, discussion boards, and groups to be created. Administrative tools are to be used by instructor and include the functionality to remove or add user to a course, manage pages and files, and make content visible to users. Assessment tools help instructors track student activity, create exam and survey, and manage grade via a gradebooks. A course management system is a platform of educational software in post-secondary education, allowing instructor and institution manage a variety of courses with a large number of students and multiple instructional materials. An LMS or learning management system is a platform that has been specifically designed to host, manage, and deliver e-learning, while a CMS or course management system is generic platform for all forms of online content. Okay, now what is language management? Language management is a discipline that consists of satisfying the needs of people who speak multiple different languages. This may be in the same country, in companies and in cultural or international institution where one must use multiple languages. Language management refers to behavior toward language, whether an individual's management of her own discourse or an institution's management of language. It is certainly of a particular importance for organized language management to identify language problem, that is, such as deviation from the norm or expectation, which individual speakers evaluate negatively in particular interactions, and which is not possible to remove by routine instructional means such as repair sequence. Okay, I think enough for my explanation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.